So far we completed design the splash screen. This screen will see the login and sign up button. So once I click on the sign up button, we need to now go to the different another screen, this screen. Okay, so in this screen, we have the user is create the account with the email name, email, and password, and the create button is there and login button is there. So this meaning is if you have already user has a login account, again you will click on the login button. Okay, so this screen now I'm going to design. So this is done, and come to the sign up. So we need to create a file. The file name is sign up screen dot stateful widget, and need import the material, copy import here, and I'll go there and paste this one. Now, after creating this screen we need to define in the main data. Okay, import sign up. The sign up screen is there. Next, the routes, comma, give the route name as sign up screen, and sign up screen. Okay, so we define the routes also, and come to that splash screen. In the button action, in the button action, I want to navigate to this screen. Okay, so this is a reusable widget, right? The app button is a reusable widget. I'll go to the widget. So on press is there. Okay, this on press will send back to the callback function. Okay, once I click on this, we need to create a one callback function. From there, void function on press. This function, so once I click on the on press, we'll call the above function, above the function. Okay, so this is way of calling the function. Callback will send to back. Okay, and come to the splash screen. Come to the splash screen on pressed. Here we need to implement the button action. We need to implement the button action. So what the action is, once I click on here, navigator dot of that context dot the push named. What is the name of the route is? I'll go to the main dot. What I define here, I'm defining the route name of this sign up screen is sign up screen slash sign up screen. Again, I'll come back to the splash screen. This is a route name slash. Now, once I click on the once I click on the sign up button in that the output, once I click on the sign up button, it will now get to the sign up screen. Okay, so just now we created a sign up screen, and this screen I'm going to design. This screen I'm going to design. Okay, there is a app bar is a app bar title is sign up. Let's start with screen designing. Sign up screen. Sorry, scaffold app bar app bar. Title of the app bar is text. The text is sign up. Come to the scaffold in the body. You can see the body. The body, I will load a container. So the container, there is a child called column. Okay, column and children's. Here is the width of this screen. Width of the container is screen width. Media query of context dot size dot width. And again, height is media query of context dot size dot height. Now the children's are, the first children is create an account, the text widget, text widget. This is a text widget. I'll copy this one and paste it. And second one also another text. Copy this one and paste it. So here the text widget style is font weight, size is the font style, text style. The font size is 28 and font weight is font weight dot w600. Okay, and next one is, that's okay. Come to here, the size is 17 pixels and 300. Same, I will copy the style. The font size is 17 and font weight is 300. This part is done. And next one is, so this is a two text fields, three text fields, and this is a text create account button, and this is a create account button. Now the output is, so click on the sign up, but already give the action. Click on the sign up. See, this is a sign up screen. The sign up screen, there is a create account and create your account fully experienced. The two things is done. And next one is we need to start with the text field. Okay, for this I'm going to explain about how to create this text field as a separate widget, a reusable widget. Okay, now so in this text field, as per this requirement, this is a one text field. Okay, this is a title, right? So this text, these things I will create as a reusable, because of the same behavior we can reuse here also, right? So now the same behavior is, for example, if you create this text field, it will take 40 lines of code, let's say. Okay, same lines will repeat here and same lines you can repeat here. So instead of duplicate code, I will make a separate widget. How I created a button similar like that. If you same behavior, same lines of code will reuse the all the, for example, 40 lines code. The same, this 40 lines of code I will make it as a separate class. We can call here and here. That is, we are reusing these 40 lines here, but only differentiation is the title is differentiation, and hint text is differentiation, and the controller. These three are we are going to pass to this class. So this class will take care about that one. Okay, but next one is how I reuse that buttons. Let me open the again. So here in the splash screen, this is a button, right? From here to here. This is a button here. But this button is we created ourselves. That is a reusable. Now we can see then the widgets. This is a reusable widget. So this reusable widgets, how we create a reusable widget of the app button. Similar like that, we need to create a for this text files also, because of the same text there we can reuse in the all the places. To avoid the duplication, I'm going to create a reusable widgets. Let's create a reusable widgets of the text field. I'll go to the app text field. This is a reusable widget. So what is the required thing we need to pass? Each text field, you can see the title is a one parameter, and hint text is another parameter, and third one is like controller. So these three are the differentiation of the other text fields. You can see these three are a differentiation of the other text field, and remaining is common, right? So for that, that input text to form field, text to form field. Okay, same. Here in the text to form field has a controller. We have to pass the controller. That controller will define here text edit controller. Controller. This text controller we need to pass this dot, this dot, dot. Let's is tested controller. This is also required. And the title is the string is the title, and this also we need to pass into the constructor. Required this dot title, and title is completed. And next one is final into text. In text also we need to pass to the this method, this constructor, this dot and text. So now what are the required things? Already we defined that. And now, so in the text field, I'm going to give the controller. So controller is already we defined the above, given the as a parameter. Now next one is decoration. So input decoration, input decoration, input decoration. What are the hint text is? Hint text as well pass the in text. We are passing as a argument. In text border is button border. See border side And here this is a reason, this is a text field we created, and here this text field and this also same we can create a same component. In that I will wrap the two inside the column. Okay, so now the text widget is we can pass as a title of the title string. Okay, now so now these two are start in the middle, right? So I will change it as a main axis, element of start, and the cross axis element of start. Now we need to give the title text style 15 pixels and 600, right? The style is text style, font size is of 15 pixels, and font weight dot w600. Okay, so we created a reusable component. This component I'm going to use into the our sign up screen. I'll go to the sign up screen. Just after the text comma app input text field widget, you can see we need to pass the three parameter. One is the controller, another one is the title, one is the hint text. So controller I will create here the state controller text edit controller. This control is name controller. I will name it as a name controller. Okay, the name controller I'm passing here. The name controller, and the title is name, and int text is username. Int text is username. See, this is way. So instead of writing all lines, see, instead of writing this much of code, just I created as a separate class, separate widget. That widget I'm using here. Okay. After that, let's see the output. After add input text field, if you want to add the another text field, just to copy here, just to copy and comma and paste it. Now what is the email address? We are going to pass that email address. The controller is, we need to take another controller as a email controller. That email controller I'm passing here, email controller, and int text is username at gmail.com. Text is username at gmail.com. We add the two text fields simply. Now we can see the output. See, I avoid the lot of code. You can see this. Instead of writing the much code, I avoid into the separate code. I created as a separate widget, that is a reusable widget. Okay, now these these are the widgets. I'm moving to the center of the screen. Okay, the main access element dot center. Now it's moving to here. Okay, so I want to add some space between this one. Okay, and I want to add the space between this one and here. The space of here and here is 53. Okay, so before the text field, I will add the text sized box. The sized box of height is let's say 55, and a comma. We can see the output. Some space is added here. Okay, again, but these three widgets are is moving towards the left and right side. So as per this document, as per this Figma, I need to add some padding, right? So I need to add a padding. How much, , 1 much 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 1 mu 25, 25. Okay, so directly I will give the padding to the column, the padding, and the only padding only left 25 and right 25. Okay, now see the output. Okay, as per the Figma, see the space between this widget and this widget is 22. Okay, so I copy the sized box. I will put into the middle of this one. This is a 22. That's 22 added. You can see the some space between that. But as per this Figma here, that email and this space is I think 8 pixels. I will go here. I will give the space between this one. This one is sized box. Sized box height is, let's give that 8 pixels. Automatically, you can see we changed on the reusable component. You can see the output. We changed there or not here, but I added some space between it. Okay, and other text field, what is the other text field is the password. Same, I will copy from here to here. So we need to create another controller called the password controller. Password controller. Okay, control name is password controller, and password here is only the username. That's it. Enter password. The in text is nothing is there. Now see the output. See the three text field is added in the screen. Okay, so we'll add like that. Enter password. Enter password. See what is the next. I need to place the two buttons. I told so no need to create all this code there. All this code. Just I will use the app button here in the splash screen. How I'll use the app button? See, you can see the app button. Just copy the app button and paste into the sign up. So already we created this one, right? So we need to import. So app button. So okay, what is the app button is? Title is create account. Uh, another one is another text field is first one is create account. Create account. Okay, I will remove this code because we copied from there only, right? And title is create account, and the title color is white color. Title color is white color, and background color is colors dot RGBO as per this 00255 1, and border color is nothing is there, just to give the transparent. Come to here, just log in. Text is a white black color. Now see the output of this screen. Okay, so we create, see the two, but we need to add a space between this one. I will go here. What is the space between this and this is 51, and this space between 30. Okay, so here after the text field, the size box is 51 and 51, and the space between this one is and 30. See, the output is You can see that output. Okay, so we successfully complete the design the create account screen, that is the sign up screen. Okay, this is the sign up screen. Next class will create another screen, and please watch and see the next part.